souls, welcome to my channel. Let's see what messages coming for you today. Before I read a card, uh, this is the channel message for someone. If you recognize this kind of a stone, just work with that. uh, this is stone's energy and your energy going to match, so just work with that. And because this gives you the grounding and protection, and some kind of shine is coming from this stone, so just work this that kind of crystal or stone, because your life tree going to grow, so keep growing. And your energy needs some protection, so divine gives you that kind of stone, so work with that. So don't be so don't be trying to, what can I say, don't try to be perfect, because sometimes messing energy also helping us, so don't be, just uh, just true to yourself, just be with you and just trying to connect with you, so everything will be okay and everything will be fine and everything is perfect for you. So the magician card, so definitely you are the magician one. You have lots of tools to become a number one, and you are the magician, so don't push hard, don't push you hard to achieve some kind of success, because you are the number one. So just trying to enjoy with that energy or with tools. So if you know the tools, so your work will be shine automatically and you achieve number one as soon as possible. So don't be rush, just understand what you have right now and work with that, and each and every tools or whatever magician power is, just work with that. So each single power or gift shine you brightly, so work with each and every single gift, whatever you have or tools you have. So uh, this hand, you can see this hand is shining, right? So some kind of magical powers you have, so just work with that, just dance with that. And I also feel you are the singer one. If you are a singer, so just do some vocal practices to improve your singing style or way of singing, whatever you have, just work with calmly, work with patiently, because each thing takes time to grow, right? So don't be harsh with yourself and just work with precisely. This is the word, I don't know, I don't know meaning of precisely, so just work with precisely. So If you have long hair, so you want to do something with your hair, so you can. Lots of design you can create with your hair, so you can. And also just take care of your health, hair health, because your health, your hair going to be thin time. So I feel like that this hair is strong, and this hair is like it needs some care, so you have to take care of your hair. If you are white aura, just do some protection thing, because white aura person attract every each and everything. So just take care of your health and just do protection uh, spell with you, or just ask for Archangel Michael for help for your protection. Or you can wear some bracelet also, or bangle also, when you do your own thing or dance or sing like that. You have to wear some kind of evil eye protector or green color. White color also good for you. In a cloth, white repel the energies, right? Don't use black color, because black color absorbs the energies, and white aura also absorb the energy. So just trying to wear those colors uh, who uh, who protect you. Sorry, which one protects your aura. And especially when you got some kind of energy, just dance to uh, to light your energy, because when you get lots of energy, that energy bothers you a lot. Lots of body pain is coming, or lots of laziness is coming, mind is not working properly, lots of bothering kind of things coming in your life. So just have to work out. So you can dance um, more than 15, half an hour, 1 hour, so that kind of energy going to release. So in a daily basis, whatever you do, but you have to do some kind of workout which release lots of energies which is bothering you. So workout is important, so you can dance also in, you can include dance also in that. Singing also, sound therapy is also good for you. So sound therapy, you can use sound therapy, or yin yang meditation, or yin yang therapy, it's coming out. So if you understand, or if you know, so uh, you can use yin yang therapy or meditation, some kind of. Some kind of design symbols you have got, uh, and you are the designer. So just explore those designs what you have right now, because some kind of 3D design coming out from you. So just work with. And if you are the enlightenment process, Naga's Sakti trying to connect with you, Naga's energy trying to connect with you. If you know the Naga's energy, so they trying to connect with you. And for someone, don't create illusion in your life, which is a thing only. Don't uh, don't train your mind to uh, create a thing in a 3D world. I hope I convey the right message, but don't create an illusion, and don't see a false thing, and don't create those kind of energies which is not good for you. This is the message for someone specific. So please take it what it is, resonate with you, and leave the rest behind. And dance is must. Whoever out there who see the video, dance is must. So if you are not a dancer, it's okay, but dance is must right now. Your health will be okay or fine soon. Your hand injury uh, will be okay, because healing is coming for you. Or right now it's in it is in the healing process. So don't worry, everything will be okay. So chill. So this is the message for someone. I am going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy, healthy life. Thank you.